A couple of weeks ago, my colleague Luke found this fine PC case on Amazon by a company called Golden Field. It's cheap, it's pink. Last weekend, myself and Rosie built in this chassis. Truth be told, we didn't like it very much. I'm now going to turn you over to Rosie, our official expert on pink PC cases. Rosie, what do you think?
I hate it.
But it's cheap and it's pink, so, you know, hey-ho. But I thought, Luke, you've done me a kindness. It's time I reciprocated. I returned to Amazon and I found that Golden Field does other products, including PC coolers. I've spent a total of £25 on these two coolers and I'm going to send them to you, Luke, so you can enjoy them. This Golden Field cooler is, as you can see, the Triceratops. We've got RGB. It apparently fits both Intel and AMD with this kit. And you get extensive instructions in what looks like Chinese. Or Chinese. But I'm quite sure the monochrome photos will help you with installation, Luke, so that's a good thing. And this cooler is the MHT, which appears to have exactly the same mounting kit of a piece of plastic and some more bits of plastic, and also fits both AMD and Intel with RGB, albeit admittedly you've got a 3-pin fan connector and no RGB connector. But never mind, I'm sure it's all completely under control and is going to look exactly like that when it's installed. I imagine you'll need to use something low power, so a 16-core Ryzen 9 might be out of the question, but I think a Ryzen 5 or some tiddly little Intel processor could be on the cards. So there we have it. Two coolers, which in no way are fundamentally the same cooler with different plastic bits on top. Absolutely not. Luke, my gift to you. Enjoy.